Welcome to Gosia Album Cooking. Today we will make delicious homemade blueberry crumble cake and I hope you enjoy. The ingredients we need for the crumble cake is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of oat meal, 3/4 of cup white sugar, 1.5 stick of cold butter, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of rum, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt. And let's go started. First ingredients: flour, 1.5 cup, sugar, 3/4 of the cup, and butter. I pre-cut the butter already. 1.5 stick of butter, oatmeal, and now I combine all these ingredients. Very simple cake. You don't need a mixer. Just combine all these ingredients, make the crumbles. I'm adding 2 egg yolks, pinch of salt, vanilla extract, about 2 teaspoons, and baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Now it's much easier to combine everything. Healthy version of crumble cake because I put some oatmeal, something different. Now I'm adding a little bit rum, I'll divide crumble in half to be the bottom part. For the blueberry filling, I need 3 cups of fresh blueberries, half a cup of sugar, lemon about 2 teaspoons, and cream of wheat, 3 tablespoons of cream of wheat. And let's get cooking. To make blueberry filling, it's very simple. Fresh blueberries, sugar, 3 tablespoons of cream of wheat, that will be a healthy version, and lemon juice, just quickest way to get the juice from blueberries. Just use the potato masher. Do not mash completely, just a little bit to get the juice from blueberries. Blueberry filling is done. Now I will transfer blueberries to crumbles. Spread evenly, like this, perfect. And the last part, crumbles. Okay, it's done. I will bake in the oven 350 degrees for 1 hour. Blueberry crumble done. Look at this, it's beautiful. See the bubbles? Nice golden color. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.